Olivia, what are you doing? You take all those plates out of that drawer. Olivia is almost a year old. You have only 11 days until you turn 1. Crazy lady. Yeah. Can you put him back in the drawer? Can you put him back in? Uh-oh, where's Olivia? Peekaboo. Where's Olivia? Peekaboo. Where's Olivia? Peekaboo. You are a silly girl. Are you going to stand up? Can you stand up? Show us how you do your walk-ins. Watch out, Bailey. The plates might get you. Bailey.